Hello everyone, the following video will provide a summary for the Bonsall Community Roundabout project presented by Hooley Engineering for San Diego State Capstone Fall 2019. Before starting our presentation, we would like to give a special thank you to our sponsor Rick Engineering for aiding in the design of this project. Specifically Leonardo Flores, an assistant project manager for the Traffic Engineering Division, and Salvatore Sanchez, a principal water resource designer, for being our sponsors. So thank you very much. Hi, my name is Hnin Htet. I'm graduating with a bachelor's degree in civil engineering. I am the project manager and worked on roundabout iteration process, plan sheets, and basis of design.
Hi, my name is Nira Galgana. I'm one of the transportation engineers and I assisted on the traffic study and report, plan sheets, and the basis of design.
Hi, my name is Wylene Cox, and for this project, I worked as a CAD lead, and I mainly focused on the traffic study and basis of design. And this year I'll be graduating as a civil engineer at SDSU.
Hello, my name is Amber Hooley, and I am a graduating senior civil engineering student at SDSU. My focus of engineering is stormwater, and I conducted parts of the hydrology study, basis of design, and implementing calculations for our analysis.
Hi, my name is Julian Oliveria. I am graduating as a civil engineer here at San Diego State University. I am one of the 3 stormwater engineers that worked on the drainage study, the basis of design, some drafting, as well as the cost estimation.
Hi, my name is Hamad Almekaimi. I am graduating as a civil engineer at San Diego State University. I am the environmental engineer in this project, and I worked on the environmental report and assisted with design and as well as the cost estimate.
My name is Gelareh Faraji. I'm graduating with a civil engineering degree from San Diego State University. I'm the drainage engineer on this project and work on drainage study, drainage plan sheets, and the design day board.
Hi, my name is Claire Chamberlain. I'm graduating as a civil engineer at SDSU. I'm the construction engineer and I worked on the environmental report, construction staging, traffic staging, and cost estimate.
Looking at the vicinity map, we can see that Bonsall's neighbors are Fallbrook, Oceanside, Valley Center, and Vista. Bonsall has a population of approximately 12,500 people. The community value its rural identity and preservation for open land. The purpose of this project is to improve the traffic flow and pedestrian safety at the intersection of Camino del Rey and Old River Road and Camino del Rey and West Lilac Road, as shown in the figure to the right. The next few slides will go more into depth about the existing conditions at both intersections. At the intersection of Camino del Rey and Old River Road is an existing 2-way stop control T intersection. Camino del Rey is currently classified as a boulevard series and is a major free-flowing path with a speed limit of 50 miles per hour. Old River Road is currently classified as a light collector series with a speed limit of 25 miles per hour. It connects to the residential areas down south of the road. This intersection is neighbored by County of San Diego's golf course to the north, Bonsall Community Church to the west, and Bonsall Elementary School to the east. The high speed limit on Camino del Rey makes it very dangerous for the neighboring community church and elementary school. At the intersection of Camino del Rey and West Lilac Road is an existing 1-way yield control T intersection. Camino del Rey has the same characteristics mentioned before, and West Lilac Road is classified as a light collector series, with the speed limit of 45 miles per hour. It connects to the residential areas up north of the road. This intersection is neighbored by the County of San Diego golf course and the residential areas. There is a structural bridge located as shown in the picture. Hooley Engineering has made an executive decision to keep the bridge as it is, avoiding higher costs to the project.
In the process of our proposal, our most important focus was our traffic analysis. We had to consider many factors in our design and utilized various standards to approach this project. The primary purpose of our recommendation, the roundabouts on Camino del Rey at the intersections of Old River Road and West Lilac Road, is to provide safe routes for vehicles and pedestrians. Our design criteria took into consideration the projected annual average daily traffic in 2050. The 2016 HCM and NCHRP were utilized in calculating the level of services and the basis of design, while the MUTCD and the County of San Diego documents also facilitated design standards. As a result of our design, we were able to provide mobility improvements, pedestrian access, and appropriate consideration for outside parameters. The roundabouts would be able to provide an increase in overall safety through its reduction of speeds. The existing pedestrian paths will be maintained to accommodate for the future widening of Camino del Rey. For the roundabout to be most effective, Hooley Engineering proposed the restriping of the adjacent Bonsall Community Church parking lot on Old River Road. The elementary school driveway proved to be the leading cause for queuing during peak hours, and as such, it is recommended to be closed to reduce congestion.
A hydrology analysis of natural runoff was performed to identify the performance of existing drainage systems within this project area, as well as to design a new effective drainage system for our proposed street improvements. The hydrology study covers 4 sub-basins within the project area that flow into 4 culverts maintained by the County of San Diego and 1 existing cross-gutter. This next slide shows each sub-basin's existing peak runoff rate at 50 and 100-year return. Please note that the rational method was used to calculate this table. The latest inspection sheets containing pipe characteristics was gathered from the County of San Diego, and culvert capacity analysis was performed using the San Diego County Drainage Manual. According to the hydrology and hydraulic analysis, existing drainage systems properly conveyed stormwater runoff from on-site.
After finalizing the design and the road right-of-way boundaries, the new sub-basins and the peak runoff rates were identified. The result of calculation concluded minor impacts on natural runoff. With the purpose of improving the drainage and avoiding a cross-gutter running through a major street, a new 24-inch RCP pipe with type B1 inlet and wing wall outlet is designed and will replace the existing cross-gutter at the intersection of West Lilac Road and Camino del Rey. The change of road right-of-way at Camino del Rey and Old River intersection requires a relocation for the existing pipe. According to the new sub-basins, a new 24-inch RCP pipe along with Type B inlet and wing wall outlet is designed for this location. For the purpose of a stormwater treatment, catch basin inlet filters are installed at all the existing and proposed inlets within this project area as an economical solution to meet local and state water quality requirements and regulations.
For our basis of design, the purpose is intended to review trade-offs between safety, operations, and accommodation of the design vehicle through an iterative process. Our initial design elements for Camino del Rey and Old River Road was dictated by the 2050 analysis. This intersection is predicted to take on a high vehicle capacity and must be expanded from 2 lanes to 4 lanes. In 2050, when a 2-lane roundabout needs to be implemented to accommodate higher vehicle capacity, the footprint of the existing roundabout will be adequate for the expansion. Camino del Rey and West Lilac Road is predicted to stay a light collector series. A 1-lane roundabout is designed at this intersection. Most importantly, the codes and standards used to iterate the design of the roundabouts are the National Cooperative Highway Research Program, Report 672, and Federal Highway Administration Roundabouts and Informational Guide. The following slides will explain the design checks that were performed on the roundabouts.
A critical component of our design was determining the intersection sight distance, which is the longest length that a motorist can see approaching vehicles before their line of sight is blocked. According to Exhibit 6-58 of the NHCRP, a roundabout with a circulatory design speed of 25 miles per hour must have an intersection sight distance of 184 feet. Both of the roundabouts were checked for this requirement and are represented in this slide. Another design consideration we needed to account for was the design vehicles that may use the roundabout. Both roundabouts were designed to accommodate a WB50 truck and emergency vehicles. The truck apron allows bigger-sized vehicles to make a successful U-turn, and the choice of a rolled curb for the center island and splitter ends allows emergency vehicles to cross the intersection.
We're talking about the existing land use, roundabout landscaping, and the lighting. So here it shows the Bonsall native plants, which is white sage, mountain bush, lupini, California buckwheat, and bush monkey flower in Bonsall. So the existing land use is that the Bonsall community is known for its natural land and open areas. For construction of the roundabouts, some land from the open golf course had to be developed, and the lighting that we used for the roundabout, our solar technology will be used to minimize energy usage. The street lights will be dimmed when no traffic is around and will light when a car is approaching. And for the plants that are surrounded or on the roundabout, the landscaping is in the center of the roundabout. Native drought-tolerant plants will be placed to maintain the rural area. The added sidewalks around the roundabout will be made of gravel, ties into the existing trails.
During the construction of Old River Roundabout, the intersection of the three approaches turned into an all-way stop. No road could be closed due to the high volume of through vehicles to the surrounding neighborhoods and the State Route 76. The roundabout is constructed in the third phase, and then the road is repaved before the fourth phase. During Phase 1 of construction, Camino del Rey will stay open to through traffic. West Lilac Road will be closed to through traffic and will be excavated, and a new pipe and inlet will be laid parallel to Camino del Rey. Phase 2 will require flaggers while laying the permanent pavement on Camino del Rey. During Phase 1, West Lilac Road will be closed to through traffic. Through traffic of West Lilac Road will be detoured starting at the intersection of Cam del Cielo. Westbound traffic will detour south on Cam del Cielo and then west onto Camino del Rey. Eastbound traffic will detour north onto Cam del Cielo and then west onto Lilac Road. During Phase 2, West Lilac Road will open to eastbound through traffic. Westbound traffic must detour to north Cam del Cielo and then east onto West Lilac Road. During Phase 3, all approaches will be open. Drivers must yield to workers landscaping at and around the roundabout. Thank you for watching our presentation. We hope you enjoyed it.